Hey, my beautiful Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be making some brown stew turkey neck, and here are my ingredients that I'll be using. My turkey neck has been thoroughly washed and it is ready to be seasoned. So here I have half tablespoon of oxtail seasoning, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, half tablespoon Lorry's seasoning salt, half tablespoon onion granules, half tablespoon garlic granules, and half tablespoon adobo all-purpose seasoning. Twirl that up, mix it up, bam, that is us. So here I have half tablespoon of oil and I'm pouring in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Allow that to caramelize. So let us season. So pour all that seasoning mix all over that turkey neck, right? And I'm adding a little bit of browning, right? Because I don't have time to just allow everything to just brown like I normally do, right? I'm doing it a little bit different today. So mix that up, and then we're gonna go in now with 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning or green seasoning, whatever one you want to call it. So rub it all over it, and we're gonna set it aside to marinate, preferably overnight, right? So here my sugar has been caramelized, so now go ahead and add the turkey neck. Add it, yes, and we're just going to mix it up. So we're just gonna mix and allow it to sear, right? As I said, I didn't have time to put it to just brown each piece. So that is why I'm doing it this way. This is still perfect. So just mix it up, right? Okay, so now we're gonna give it more mix again, right? Just mix it, and you're going to be doing this for just maybe about 4 minutes, right? And then when we're done, we're going to cover it, and look at that. That looks so good, and it don't even reach anywhere. Cover it for 10 minutes, right? Give it some time to allow the natural juices to come forth. Vibes fam, do you see beautiful and juicy? Look at it. That looks so good. Look at all that juice. I'm telling you, do it this way. Oh, look at it. Nice and thick. Yes, it is ready. So we're going to go ahead and add some water to it, right? But make sure you mix it up. And I want you to just take it in. Look at it. Look, I didn't add any water. So here I'm adding 6 cloves of chopped garlic, and I also minced up some ginger. It's about 1 tablespoon, right? And I add those and mix it up in there. Get it all up in there, right? I really want the flavors to come out. So I'm just adding these from now, yeah. And we're gonna add some water now. So push the turkey neck to the side. So I added some hot water, please Vibes fam, hot water, right? And then now we're going to pour it into the pot. So always push the meat to the side and then pour the water, right? Because if you pour it on the meat, then you know it's going to make the meat kind of white. You don't really want that. So cover it now for an hour. Yeah. Okay, so Vibes Sam, this is after it has been cooking for an hour. Stick him, stick him, stick him. It is nowhere, it just barely cooks. So I'm adding a little bit more water. Don't add a lot. Take your time and add water when you're cooking these things, right? And I'm going to cover it. I added a little more browning, just maybe like half teaspoon or less. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes, right? But yeah, Vibes Sam, cover him up. And here are the rest of my ingredients that I'll be adding. And bam, this is after 20 minutes. Check it out. Okay, so we're gonna stir it up now. Let's see where we are in terms of how much cooking more going on it. So this is better, right? So now we're adding some green peppers, some onion, and of course some other sweet pepper. And of course some, oh my goodness, chili flakes and some thyme. And I also added some scallion. So just mix those up. Oh, and I'm adding about a third cup of ketchup, right? And just mix up everything, mix up. And I'm telling you, Vibes Sam, look at beautiful. This now look good already. It looks so good. So mix it up. And Vibes Sam, when you're cooking, so at this point right here, don't taste it yet, right? But you can mix it up, combine everything, and then you can taste, or at least let it boil up about a 5 minutes, and then you taste it. But always taste as you go along when you're cooking. So I added a little bit more water, just a little bit, right? And then yeah, just move around the meat, and because this is like the last part now, we are almost at the finish line, right? So we're gonna cover this and give it 20 minutes. I'm adding some what do you call it? Picker pepper sauce. Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, I added a little picker pepper. So Vibe Sam, we're covering this for 20 minutes. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm adding some black pepper, right? But Vibes Fam, listen, you want to smell this. By the way, make sure, so at this point now, you should already taste it. So mix it up and taste it again. And if there's anything that is lacking, oh my God. Look at that meat. Look. Oh yes. Give me a piece. Give me a piece. If there's anything that is lacking, then you add it, right? So always taste as you go along. Don't wait for you to finish and turn off the stove, or as you're ready to turn off your stove, you're tasting your food. No. Taste it. Is your food. Oh, that looks so good. Is your food. I'm so distracted. Is your food. Taste and make sure that it is what you want it to be, right? What you envision it to be in terms of taste. So yeah, Vibes Fam, that is it. Mix it up and then just smooth it out, and then that is us. That looks so good. We are done. You want a piece? Do you want a piece? Do you want a piece? And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have it, have it. A delicious bowl of turkey neck. And when I tell you I love me some turkey neck, me love it, love it, love it, love it. It is so good. Like me really love turkey neck, right? Growing up, it wasn't something that was cooked in my house. I don't know where I go and had it. And it was in my 20s that was, right? And then I asked my mom, I went home and said, Mommy, I can cook turkey neck. And she made it. And yeah, it's just something that I've loved ever since. Love it. But yeah, Vibe Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And run over on Instagram and follow me. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for the support. God bless you.